Hi everybody, today we're going to show you and talk to you about our new Bella air fryer. It's actually not so new. We've had it for almost a year now, and it's a really great machine. We use it several times a week. It's a 1500 watt 2.6 quart capacity air fryer, and it's super easy to use. The main reason we picked this air fryer over others you see in the market are two. The size is not too small, not too big when you compare it. Second reason is this ease of use. It's really just a timer here and temperature, which goes from 175 to 400. We pretty much keep it at 400 almost all the time. The timer goes up to 60 minutes, and we never really use it for more than that. It cooks food way faster than an oven normally would. And then the main and third reason is the basket. And the basket, I don't know if you can see from this, but it's a non-stick basket, which really differentiates it from other air fryers. A lot of them out there are not non-stick. This is actually, here's a basket. I just press this little button to kind of release it from the main basket. So we usually use it, wash it with just soapy water and a sponge. Sometimes we just rinse it with the spray function on our faucet if it's not too dirty. But we almost never even use oil with this machine. A lot of times we use, food from frozen aisle, which is already sort of pre-fried. We've even cooked salmon in this fryer. Comes out really nice. Doesn't stink up the kitchen. Very, very, very convenient. There's also 3 different vents from this where all the steam kind of comes out. 2 on each side and 1 on the back. And again, it's super easy to use. We love it so much that we got it for our in-laws for Christmas. They use it, and they have 2 small kids. They use it every day.
And that's one big advantage is that with only 10 or 15 minutes, you can have a perfectly cooked meal without the need to use the microwave or to dirty your oven. So it's really a convenient way to fry it without really frying food. So it's a more healthy alternative.
Right, we've put in like frozen French fries, fried calamari, again like raw salmon. It comes out really, really, really nice. Very, very simple to use.
Also, it's a very safe machine. You can open the tray while it's in mid-use, and the machine will automatically shut down, so preventing any danger. And it's really convenient. The timer is like a standard, analog timer that will stop the machine once it reaches 0, and you can adjust it also during its use.
Yes, and you don't, the basket is a great size. It's not too big, not too small. You can, cook a meal for 2 people. Super easy to use. Doesn't smell up your whole kitchen. You don't have to turn on your entire oven just to reheat or, cook a few things.
So initially we were a little skeptical about this machine, being used to use the oven all the time and the microwave. But after some time we decided to give it a try, and it's the best thing we have done in terms of cooking. It's really been a really asset to our kitchen. It has changed the way we cook things. We use it almost every other day or almost every day. And the size of it is good enough for 2 people. So it's really, really highly recommended. Also, we confirm its wonders by introducing it to our family members, which were also skeptical at the beginning, but after using it for just once or twice
and cleaning it
and seeing how easy it is to clean and maintain, they totally were into it, and they proceed to buy the same brand, the same model the next day. So we wanted to make this video to show it to you and hopefully help you with cooking, and hopefully you will like this machine. It's really amazing and we highly recommend it.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye bye, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Thank you very much.